How to easily add quadrants in Google Docs. So to start, we'll have to open our browser and then simply open a sample Google document. So in here, if we want to add quadrants, all we need to do is to tap on this insert option, and then in here tap on table, and then after that we'll have to select 4 squares, and as you can see, that table is automatically added here. The next thing that we need to do is to highlight the table, and then after that we'll have to drag the table to make it bigger. Once we're done making the table bigger, the next thing that we need to do is to copy the text and then paste it inside the table. After that, we'll have to select every border corner of the table, and then after that, tap on this border width icon, and then in here we'll have to select the 0 option, and as you can see, it automatically make the border transparent. What we need to do now is to repeat the process in all borders of the table. And then after that, once you're done, you will now see the quadrants on your Google document. So that's how easy we can add quadrants in Google Docs. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!